always got to check your pan. I'm down here in my east field. I got the lower half of it raked up, tedded and raked up, and I got what I think is a stout kicker wagon here. Got another old kicker wagon over there if I need it. But again, we're in drought, and not sure the yield's going to be too spectacular, but at this point I'll take what I can get. Just gonna check the tension on the bale, and they are spanking tight. If anything, probably take the tension down a little bit, but that's a tight string on that thing. Hay looks great. Anywhere from 10 to 13, 14% humidity. Every now and then I'll see a spike to 17, which is a-okay. So let me keep going. that's the balance of the field. Again, just like up here, not a lot of hay. I'll take what I can get. I think I got more bales down here than I did up here. This is a bigger wagon, but this is some really nice looking hay. I mean, this is some nice looking hay. Anyhow, we got more haying to come. We got to move into our low ground next, and then figure out what to do with my west field. I probably should have clipped it, but I didn't. But I think I'm gonna cut it and bale it just because I need the volume, and mark it down for, you know, cow and goat hay. Probably be okay horse hay, you know, if you're on a budget, you're not too picky. Not like it's full of lamb quarters. The weed pressure on this field was minimal. I was pretty surprised. I didn't use any herbicide on it this spring. I think the drought was as hard on the weeds as it was the grass. But 5-inch stubble, it's coming back. And I'm watching the weather, and if it looks like we're going to get a period of wet weather, I'm going to think real hard about putting fertilizer down. So let me end the video here. And our east field is done for first cut 2026. And John Deere 5055D, the backbone of this farm. John Deere 348 square baler with number 42 pan kicker, or ejector as John Deere calls it. Homemade kicker rack. And had another one stashed over there next to the fence line. If I didn't, I'd have had more hay. Maybe I should think about that next time. But anyway, a few bales over the side, but not too bad. I've done a lot worse. So we'll talk to you later.